Alright, how's it going, guys? We've made 100 videos on this channel, and all I have to say is thank you. I deeply appreciate everybody who keeps coming back to the channel, all my new subs. It really means a lot to me. This channel has come a very long way from starting off in my garage to still in the garage, basically, you know, just building. We've built the FK8 and now we're working on the EK hatch. We even had the Honda Fit build going at a certain point, and I have learned a lot throughout this journey on YouTube so far. I've learned a lot about how to build a car, what works for a car, and everything of that nature. You guys have met so many people in my life, and you guys have accompanied me on a lot of my journeys, from moving from Killeen to moving to Austin. It's been a journey. It's really been a journey. I'm really happy that I can actually share this journey and bring you guys along with me on it. So initially when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't even know that car vlogs were really a thing. I remember I was looking at videos on the Type R and I stumbled upon one YouTuber's video, and it was him buying his Type R. Well, he eventually ended up selling it and going with the GTR. You guys probably know who I'm talking about, but I didn't even know vlogs of that style were even a thing. I've always been really in the cars. When I found that video, I didn't know that people actually did these kinds of styles of videos that I kind of like to make now today. Modding the cars, going to car meets, things of that nature. I did not know that was a thing, and it blew my mind. And so when I got the Type R, I was kind of like, well, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see what happens and I'm gonna try it. I'm really happy that I did. I had no real expectations going into making car vlog YouTube videos, but I'm really happy I did. It's opened a lot of doors for me. It's put me out of my comfort shell in so many different ways. It's unbelievable. I consider myself a very highly introverted person. I don't talk a lot off cam. In all honesty, I really don't. It's rare that you'll catch me vlogging in public. I really need to break out of that shell more because I feel like it holds me back on a lot of things, but we're working on it slowly. We're working on it slowly. You know, that's kind of how I built this channel. I didn't have a lot of expectations. I was like, I'm just gonna make videos of me putting stuff on the Type R and see where it goes. And then a lot of you guys liked it. I get a lot of DMs still talking about, hey, I saw this video, it really helped me out do this. Thank you for making this tutorial on how to install this. Yeah, so building the channel has been really fun. It's been, like I said earlier, it's been a huge learning experience, and I'm super excited to continue to grow on this channel. We've made 100 videos. This will make video 101, and we are sitting at around 3,500 subscribers almost. That's mind-blowing to me. I honestly didn't even think I would grow that much. I mean, that's not a lot to a lot of people, but YouTube is a lot of hard work when you think about it. It really is. Editing, making sure you have the right thumbnail, making sure your content is consistent, making sure people can understand what you're talking about, learning everything that you need to deliver. It's definitely a learning experience, and I would recommend anyone who's ever thought about it or interested in doing it, I think they should do it themselves. It's really awesome. With all that being said, I kind of want to take the channel in more directions. I want to keep a lot of the stuff the same that I have been doing. I really love being in the garage. I really love doing install videos. I really love driving my car, doing POV videos and things like that, but I want to do more. I want to get out of my garage more because I feel like my channel is 80 to 90% just in the garage, just doing installs, just trying to fix mistakes on the EK that were from the previous owner. And I feel like it's geared me up, and I've learned a lot to where I can expand out more. I feel like I should be going to more car meets. I feel like I should be doing more driving content. I really want to get back on the track more than just a few times I have with the Type R. I really want to finish the EK build and put that to the test, see what I can actually do with something that I built basically from tearing it down to the bare chassis almost and building it back up. We're going to be putting in the B18 C1 swap in there soon, and you have no idea how I am excited for that. I am so excited to be able to say, hey, I built this. I built this. Funny story, actually. I remember talking to my dad a while back when he came and visited me, and he was like, anybody can be a part swapper, but not everyone can really be an engineer or a mechanic. I'm like, yeah, you're right. And a lot of my builds, I'm just part swapping. I'm not really doing a lot of engineering work, things where you actually have to think, where you have to do more than just unscrew and rescrew a couple of bolts, you know what I mean? I really want to elevate. I really want to see what I can do. And I think it just takes time. I've always been into cars, but I've never had the opportunity until the past few years to actually build cars. You know, my very first car was a 1987 Nissan Maxima. It was total shitbox, and I remember racing like some of my friends, like more modern Civics and things like that back in high school, the car would keep up with it. I mean, it was a front wheel drive V6 and that car was so much fun. I remember working on it, like putting subs in it, putting in a new head unit, making sure the car ran well, and I remember the satisfaction I got off of that. And so like I feel like my channel is more of like an extension of things I have already been doing since I was like 15, 16 years old. I still remember when my mom taught me how to drive stick when I was like 13, 14 years old. So what I've been doing on the channel, it's nothing new in terms of me liking cars and like wanting to mod cars and things of that nature. It's just I have more opportunity now as being a 30-year-old and being able to do things. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can relate. That's another thing, like I want to be able to relate to you guys on a more emotional connection level. That's another reason why, another thing I really want to do with the channel is start a series where I kind of like interview drivers and their builds and see like what have they done to their cars, what made them fall in love with their cars, and like I feel like you guys would appreciate that too. Let me know, please let me know what you guys think about that. There's so many things I really want to do with the channel, but I want to do things that not only that I like, but you guys like as well, that we both like. You know what I mean? I don't want to just do something for the views. I want to do something that's like entertaining and you can learn from it, I can learn from it. It's just fun and amazing to watch and experience. So that's kind of like the goal that I really want to have for the channel. That's kind of the direction that I really want to go with the channel. And other than that, I really want to like connect with other YouTubers. I don't know too many that are in my area in Austin. But yeah, I would love to like connect with other YouTubers, check out their builds, you know, just network. You know what I mean? Just network. It's fun to do that. It's fun meeting new people for me. It helps me get out of my comfort zone. And you know, you learn a lot. Like I'm a really big advocate in learning. I work with like special needs young adults, and so kind of like a teaching in a sense. So yeah, I really like the aspect of learning. I really like the aspect of teaching. I really like, I don't know, I like a lot of stuff. I like a lot of stuff. I like to just have fun in general though. Regardless, yeah, that's kind of like the direction I really want to take the channel. But let me know what you guys want to see from the channel. I would really like to hear your guys' voices. I would really like to hear your guys' opinions on the channel. What would you like to see? What have you seen from my channel that you like? Leave it down in the comment section below. I'd really love to hear it. I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, we can go from there. Expect more things that are the same on the channel, and I'm gonna try my best to branch out and add more things to the channel. That's my goal. I really want to see the channel grow. I really want to connect with you guys more on a one-to-one level, I guess one-to-many, but you know what I'm trying to say. That's about it. I just want to say, most of all, thank you guys who have rocked with me for these past 4 years. We are at 100 videos. We are at 3,000, almost 500 subs. And it's been an amazing journey. Like I said earlier, 3,500 doesn't seem like a lot in YouTube's perspective, but like for me as a person who wasn't even thinking he'd make it to 1,000, like, hey, I'm pretty happy. I can't complain. With all that being said, I just want to say thank you guys. I really appreciate your time. Let me know down in the comment section what you want to see from the channel. I really want to start doing media stuff again, like cinematography. I absolutely love car cinematography, and that's kind of one of my favorite things to do on the channel. They might not be some of the best performing stuff, but it's something that like I really enjoy. Yeah, you might see more of that on the channel. It's just something I really love to do. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for coming with me on this journey. Thank you for growing with me on this journey. And I hope to see bigger things in the future. Bigger things in the future. We might bring back merch sometime soon. I really want to bring back merch sometime soon, but I went ahead and cut off the website just because like I had that whole hiatus from YouTube where I was just focusing on me, focusing on my work, my real life work, and advancing in real life. Merch might be coming back soon. I don't know yet. Just let me know if you guys want merch. It might not come back right away, but it'll eventually make a comeback. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. Later.
Thank you.